certain way we do what we do, day by day, that work or play in these islands. Grandma's dancing her favorite love, brother's strumming tunes on his old guitar, Papa with the keiki, laughing the night away. Life in these islands, life in these islands. Fun on the beach, playing in the sand, walking ancient trails on the misty uplands, riding the surf on a rolling swell in these islands. Gathering flowers to string a lake, being with Ohana on this special day, sharing our aloha with everyone in these islands. In these islands, in these islands. If you follow your heart, then you understand that there's no place on earth like my island. Strolling along on a moonlit night, telling stories by the firelight, breathing the ocean breeze in these islands. The rivers flow out to the sea and return to the land.